Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Thursday, January 8th, and I'm running late today, so I apologize for that, but I'm going to rush through this anyway. So 8:30 this morning, we had unemployment claims that came in at 208 versus 213, slightly better than expected. Goods trade balance came in at its number. There's no estimate for that. And the preliminary non-farm productivity quarter on quarter was 4.9%, was as expected. Notice that the previous was actually revised down. They don't really tell you that. But preliminary unit labor costs quarter on quarter were down minus 1.9%. Expected was zero. Trade balance was also less than expected. So that's actually a good number. 10 a.m., we've got final wholesale inventories month over month, and we have a talking head member, FOMC member Moran speaks. 10:30, we have natural gas storage. 3 o'clock consumer credit month over month. But the one piece of news that's coming out tomorrow is that the Supreme Court is going to be ruling on the tariffs. And a lot of traders, I've watched a lot of stuff, are really, really concerned about the outcome of this the Supreme Court could say. So be aware that is happening tomorrow. Taking a look at charts. So daily chart. We continue to be moving sideways. We just can't get any movement to the upside. We can't seem to break out. And we retraced yesterday. We're tracing a little bit today. And we may retrace a ton tomorrow if they rescind the tariffs, as in saying that Trump is unable to have the power to do that. It only resides with Congress. If that is the case, then the market is going to sell off in a huge, huge way. So we'll have to wait and see exactly what happens. Where could we go? Well, we've got this big, giant, low volume node here at 68.69. Go below, we're going to have to cruise down and then break that to get any legs to the downside. Otherwise, that's major support. On the top side, of course, we've got all-time highs, relatively close at 7,014.75. So yeah, it is what it is. We're still above the moving averages, so technically still bullish. Short term, definitely sideways. Medium term, also definitely sideways. So long term, of course, is still up. You can see down price action, down inventory. That's what it's supposed to look like. So nothing to say there. Moving on, looking at the overnight action. So overnight action was 34 points. That's more than yesterday, but still not as high a volatility overnight as we have been having through November, December. But, it's still not that bad for 34 points. So where do we have support resistance? We have a big old band of stuff right here around 69.68 for resistance, 69.80, 69.90. Starting to get in some guesstimate areas here, 69.95, 7,000, of course, the whole number. Got to get above that with some steam to go further. On the downside, what do we have? Support. Support is right around this low, overnight low, 69.35, 69.27, 69, call that 18, 69.10. Of course, the whole number, 6,900. We've been between 6,900 and 7,000 for quite some time, oscillating in that general range. I don't expect that to change much, at least not today. Potentially tomorrow. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4, which means we have a 48% chance the market will go down, 52% chance the market will go up. So there you have it. That's from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.